So today is 26th of March, Wednesday. So I am going to Tanjong Pahar to meet my friend Madhavi, my classmate. So she is living in Singapore from past maybe 20 years. So last time when I came with my wife, I have met her in the year 2017. So now I am going to meet her again. So I have to do a couple of things. Now I have to take bus to go to any metro station like Little India mainly, and then from there I have to take downtown line, that is blue line, to go to Bugis. So from Bugis I have to take northeast. I have to take another line, I think green line, to go to Tanjong Pahar. So Tanjong Pahar is central in the business CBD business district. So I have spent like almost 17 days every day. I used to come to Tanjong Pahar in the year 2001 when I was searching for a job in IT. But that time I was not successful. I went back to India with a very bad memories. So this is the bus stop, very close to my hotel, 81. So I have to go to Little India MRT now. Okay, boarded this 23 bus. So this is not going to Little India MRT, but it is going to Rocher MRT. So no problem, I can get down at Rocher and then I will see how can I go to Tanjong Pahar. So there are several options in Singapore. So whenever we get down at any MRT station, so just we have to go to map, see the map and plan our journey. So that is very easy and simple. I have changed my plan. So instead of going to Little India Rocher MRT, I am going to Bugis MRT, because from Bugis it is a direct downtown line. I can take blue line to go to Tanjong Pahar. So it is only 900 meters from here. So it is 7:10. So I will be reaching around 7:20. So from there I will take downtown line to go to Tanjong Pahar. So I have to go to Bugis now. Bugis MRT. So this is the Singapore. You can see early morning like 7:10 in the morning. Workers have already started coming. So they work really hard. So people from mainly from Myanmar, India, so people from several countries, Bangladesh, several countries work in the construction industry here. So they are the people who built Singapore from zero. It is very surprising to see this hotel. So this is Golden Landmark. So this is the hotel I have stayed in the year 1999. So when I first visited Singapore with my organization Myco Seats, I was working in sales. So because of achieving high targets, so my manager K. Suresh, so he is also from Agriculture College, Rajendranagar, 1972 batch, 68 batch. So he has sent me to Singapore and Thailand tour along with dealers and distributors. So I'm very surprised. Suddenly I could see Golden Landmark. I still remember those days, 2 days or 3 days spending here. So going to Mustafa, going to Indian restaurants, having lunch, dinner in Indian restaurants, doing some shopping. So yeah, this is Golden Landmark. I have arrived at Bugis MRT station. It's only 10 minutes walk. See all buses, they are just in front of stop in front of MRT. This is Bugis MRT. So we can see east-west line, green line, and downtown line DT 14, and east-west is 12th stop. This is stop number 12. So I have to take east-west to go to Tanjong Pahar. So it is coming in 2 minutes. So I have time. So I have to meet my friend at 8 o'clock. So I will be there before time. So I will spend some time in Central Business District CBD. They're all skyscrapers, and I will recollect my old memories, which I came in the year 2001 to search for a job. So I used to spend every day in the Tanjung Pagar Towers. So it was a bad time actually. So yeah, this is Bugis MRT station. I have arrived at Bugis MRT station. It's only 10 minutes walk. See all buses, they are just in front of stop in front of MRT. This is Bugis MRT. So we can see east-west line, green line, and downtown line DT 14, and east-west is 12th stop. This is stop number 12. So I have to take east-west to go to Tanjung Pahar. So it is coming in 2 minutes. So I have time. So I have to meet my friend at 8 o'clock. So I will be there before time. So I will spend some time in Central Business District, CBD. They're all skyscrapers, and I will recollect my old memories, which I came in the year 2001 to search for a job. So I used to spend every day in the Tanjung Pagar Towers. So it was a bad time actually. So yeah, this is Bugis MRT station, the entrance to Bugis MRT. So I already have a I have taken pass for 4 days. So I just go and go to direct to the platforms. So it is easy to have a ticket. This is going to other side. So it is towards Pasir Ris and Changi Airport. So this is the one. So if you want to go to airport, then we can take this line. Airport or Bedak or Paya Lebar, Lavender. So this is going towards that. So I have to go to this. You can see. I have to go to Tanjung Pagar. So it is 2 stops from here. Third stop is Tanjung Pagar. You can see Bugis. I am in Bugis. So next stop is City Hall, then Raffles Place, then Tanjung Pagar. So I have to take the train which is going to Tuas Link. So it's easy. So you can see in the TV, on the TV. So it says Tuas Link is 2 minutes. So yeah, it is easy to understand. So this is early in the morning. So not many people on the platform going by trains MRT. So it is only 7:30, right? So 7:25. So the train is coming now. So we can see, yeah, this is the train. So they are security, very much secured because there are outer doors. So whenever train stops, then only the outer doors will open. So this is central. This is going towards central. So that's why you can see so many people morning going to office. So Tanjung Pagar, City Hall, all those places are central of Singapore. So where there are several offices, like thousands of offices in multi-skyscrapers are located. Next station is City Hall. City Hall is a main important place in Singapore. City Hall is like a mayor's office. Just got down from this train. So it's only 2 stops. So feeling hungry. So I have taken one butter sugar loaf bread from this Medellin bakery. It is $2, so 2 Singaporean dollars. So every morning early morning people I can see taking bread and eating for their breakfast here in Tanjung Pagar station.